Good day everyone, Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is December 19, 2022. Here is S&P chart, daily analysis. Market had sell-off today, continuation of the last 4 consecutive days to the downside. We expected market is coming back down, so still my first target, which is 36.86, would be intact, and it is there for a bounce. However, I'm just looking for a bounce probably tomorrow or I would say Wednesday. We should expect a bounce, especially Wednesday is going to be summer solstice, which is a turning point every year. So if market is going up, so timing around summer solstice, we should expect a reversal, and market is coming down right now. So summer solstice is coming back to help us, the market, especially when we are getting to the support area. But still, my downside target for the month of January 2023 would be here, lower low. We're going to take out this pivot and also these pivots as well. So still, this is my target, like a 3200 to 3400. That's going to be bottom, intermediate bottom for the market, and probably if we get there, we will see a sharp bounce to the upside as we got into any bear market rally. So look at that. So when we get down there, we will have like a sharp bounce to the upside, sharp bounce to the upside, and here's another one. This one was pretty choppy, and Federal Reserve tried to help us, the market, but it didn't help the market, especially last Fed meeting. This is a CPI number, and this is the last Fed meeting, which killed the market, and market went all the way down to here. So we don't trade based on news. We just trade based on the chart and technical analysis that we are doing every single day. Going to 4 hours chart for S&P 500. So here is the 4 hours chart. As you know, market is pretty oversold, and this is my area. Like this is my area for a downside target and probably the bounce. We are pretty close. I don't know if tomorrow we get to here or this is just the intermediate bottom. So this diagonal, ending diagonal, especially in 1 hour chart, if we get there, it's kind of obvious that we are getting close to finish this downside movement, and probably after a bounce we will continue to the downside movement. Moving on to hourly chart, and here's the hourly chart, exactly the same thing. So if you follow my analysis, so let me just this is the level I told you. If we break this one down, market is going to have another spike to the downside. So here is the Fed pivot to the upside, and here's another Fed pivot, Federal Reserve pivot to the upside, and this is a demand area, we call it. And we are getting close to this demand area. Let me just put it there, right there. So exactly, it comes along with this rectangular, and we should see how market react to this level. So let me pull this one out here, right? And here is another level, which is the top information breakout. The market just reacted to this level. Very, very short bounce, bearish consolidation to the downside, back test, and sharp bounce to the upside, and then sharp sell-off coming down the road. So we are at ending diagonal. So this calls as an ending diagonal. This is the type of divergence we want to see. Yes, there is a divergence there. So if you see that market is pretty oversold here right now, it's not the level that we got here, so it's not that oversold. And also here you see this is a pretty nice divergence in RSI. So when we see that, especially market is kind of like a sloppy and choppy to the downside, especially after sharp move to the downside, so we call it as an ending diagonal, and this ending diagonal is going to fail to the upside. So if you just call this one and this one, so when we break above this channel, especially when we break above this pivot high, which is 38.71, which is 50 points above this the current level. So if we break above this, so probably market will have like a good bounce, I would say, a good bounce to this level. The first level is going to be 38.71. the next level is here, exactly here. So 3,900, and this would be a good level for another short setup. So we are not forecasting, we are just trading based on the probability happen to the chart. And this probability, let me just clean this one because this chart is very messy. And this probability is gonna be happening on, I would say, end of the year, like probably end of the December, or we should say early January. We should see another top for all of the market. Like S&P, probably top would be here or here maximum. I would say that's going to be the maximum level for S&P 500, which is to here to for next week. And for the Dow Jones, if you go to the Dow Jones, I just wanted to give you analysis for the Dow Jones, but I didn't have time yesterday. Let me go to the Dow Jones chart. I would say if you want to go with long position, go with Dow Jones, because Dow Jones Industrial, basically this is daily chart for Dow Jones. And if you see, Dow Jones is very oversold now. It is very oversold, and it's coming to this nice the trend line. So it's testing the trend line. So this is a breakout to the upside, coming back sharply down to test this trend line. So we will get a bounce, and probably tomorrow, as I said, tomorrow or next day, like on following day on Wednesday, we will get a bounce. We will get a bounce sharply to the upside, and the level that I'm expecting is maximum level is 3,400. So 3,400 is going to be the level that I'm expecting. I'm not expecting market is taking out this pivot. Probably Dow Jones tests the double top here around at 34,400. But again, that's going to be very low possibility. The fair possibility would be 3,400 is going to be the maximum bounce or rally for the market. That's going to be the end, Santa Cruz rally. And after that, market will have another significant top in early January, and then we should expect market is coming down. Dow Jones is the better one. As you see, the momentum is better. Momentum is shifting to the upside, breaking out this trend line, but not in S&P 500. S&P probably will get another lower low. But in Dow Jones Industrial, if we get a significant top around January, and when we see another sell-off for the Dow Jones, for the Nasdaq, for the S&P, probably S&P is going to the lower low, but Dow Jones is coming back down here to 30,000. So 30,000, if you see 30,000 in Dow Jones, S&P is hitting 32 to 3,400. So that's going to be a good level for buy, and that's going to be a QM pattern, as you see. So that's what I'm expecting. So these are the patterns and harmonic patterns or price action reading that I'm looking for. I'm not looking for any forecast. I'm not expecting market is going in my way. I'm just seeing if market is running by the way that I'm explaining, that would be a good setup to buy. But there is no certainty, there is no 100% forecast for the market, because market has its own way, and we should follow the market way, not our way. All right. Okay, I think I've wrapped up everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and this is going to be the least support from you folks that help to develop our channel more and more with these type of updates. Have a fantastic evening. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.